Go to imaginary parties in a make-believe Ferrari, baby. Let's get fresh. I know we know how.
Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. I am bored, and I've been watching a bunch of people make slime, and I want to try to make it. So I'm going to use glue, shaving cream, and contact solution. I don't really know what I'm doing, but we're going to see how it goes, and maybe this will be a good video. They use the glue first to make slime. I'm gonna make the fluffy one, I think, if I make anything at all. So I'm just gonna like, oh god, that was a lot. Okay, I'm just gonna like squirt some out. Welcome to my DIY channel. Oh god, okay, so I just squirt like, here, gonna get you that close-up action. So I squirted about like enough to cover the bottom of this bowl. I don't know how much that's gonna make, but there we go. Okay, so now I think you put the food coloring in. Maybe I want to try to make like a teal. So I'm gonna do a little bit of blue, or a lot of bit of blue, and like a little bit of green, because we're getting fancy. Oh man, that's a lot. Oh man. Okay. Alright, so now I'm just gonna mix that and I'll let you guys see. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna, oh, it's not working. Ooh, that's such a pretty color. Okay, man, this should be my, wow, a DIY beauty vlogger right here. Okay, I'm gonna keep mixing and then show you what it looks like after. Okay, so that's what it looks like now. It's pretty, it's like a pretty-ish color. I'm thinking that when I add the shaving cream, it will like lighten it a little bit, so I'm gonna add some of that. Oh, I hope that doesn't mess it up, that it's not the right kind. Uh-oh. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix this in, but it's not like real shaving cream, so I feel like that might be a problem. Like maybe I should have like put it in my hand first. Uh-oh, this might not be good. Man, I just wanted to make some fluffy slime. I mean, it's getting fluffier for sure, but it doesn't look like all the other ones. But that's okay. I don't know if you can see. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. I have slime on my counter. Oh, no. Dang it. Okay, so I got my slime cleaned up that I spilled everywhere. So I'm just gonna scoop this back into my bowl. And then I'm gonna open this up. And then I'm just gonna squirt some in. Like I said, don't know what I'm doing, so I hope... oh boy, it's becoming slime. Guys, I think we might have done it. Okay, but I don't want to touch it yet. It's like... I'm gonna add some more. Man, I should not become a DIY channel. This is, I'm not going to show you again yet because I'm going to spill it all over my counter again. But it's kind of becoming slime, guys. It's not really, that doesn't look right. Maybe if I add more contact solution? I'm gonna touch it now. Oh my gosh, guys, I did it! Wow. I made fluffy slime, guys. I didn't think we could do it after I spilled half of it on my counter. Wow. You know, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. It's not my typical kind of video, but you know, it's something, and I made some slime, guys. This could become my life, and I'm here for the slime community. So if you liked this video, give this a thumbs up. Maybe I'll make more slime in the future. It's kind of turning my hands this weird color. Maybe I should stop touching it, but give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment what you want to see. So leave a like, and I'll maybe do this again sometime. See ya!